You've probably seen those viral animal haircut videos all over social media, right? They look super complicated, but what if I told you it's actually crazy easy to make one yourself? Yep, seriously. With Pippit AI, you can create those funny animal haircut videos in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Get the prompts. First things first, you'll need the prompts. I've already prepared everything for you. 2 image prompts, before and after haircut, and 1 video prompt. You can grab them for free on my website. The link is in the description, so go check it out. All right, let's start with the before haircut image. First, go ahead and copy the before prompt from my website. Before using it, make sure you replace the animal part with any animal you like. Personally, I'll go with a lion. After that, just copy the full prompt. Next, open the Pippit AI website and log in using the link in the description. Since the image generation feature isn't available on mobile yet, you'll need to switch your browser into desktop mode. Once you're in, head over to the image generation menu and paste your prompt there. Then choose the model you want to use. I recommend Dream 5.0 Lite, but you can also try Nano Banana Pro if you're curious. After that, set the resolution to 2K, and don't forget to use the 9:16 aspect ratio. When everything's ready, click Generate. You might be redirected to a new tab, but that's totally normal. Just wait a few seconds for the results. You'll get 4 different image options. Just pick the one you like the most and download it. Now let's move on to the after haircut image. Start by copying the after prompt from my website, and again, make sure you're using the same animal as before. Then go back to the image generation section on Pippit AI. This time, you'll upload the before image you just created. After that, paste the after prompt into the prompt box. You can keep all the settings exactly the same as before, so no need to change anything. Once you're ready, click Generate again. Just like before, you'll get 4 image options. Simply choose your favorite and download it. Step 3. Turn it into a video. Now comes the best part, turning your images into a video. Start by copying the video prompt from my website, and just like earlier, make sure you're using the same animal. Then open the Video Agent menu in Pippit AI. For this part, you can switch back to mobile view if you want. Next, choose the model Dance 2.0 Fast. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose a duration of 15 seconds. After that, upload your images one by one. First, the before haircut image, and then the after haircut image. Don't upload them at the same time, just do it step by step. Once both images are uploaded, paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Then simply click Generate and wait a few minutes for the process to finish. And that's it. Your viral animal haircut video is ready. See? Not hard at all, right? Now it's your turn. Try different animals, get creative, and maybe your video will be the next one blowing up on social media. So, which animal are you going to try first?